This segment is sponsored by the law offices of David L. Carrier. Wading through the Medicaid system can be tricky business, but there is one guy who's got your back, and that is elder law attorney David Carrier. He joins us now, fresh off some big wins for his clients. Good morning.
That's right. How are you?
I am well, thank you. What is it about this Medicaid system that makes it so tough?
Well, first of all, you had lawyers involved. You know what I mean? Whenever you get lawyers involved, forget about it. But here's the thing. We're always talking pre-planning, life plan workshop, all the rest of that. And thank you very much for coming to the life plan workshops. We're doing several a week now.
And it's ideal if you create the plan in advance. But plenty of people don't, and they come to you for some crisis management.
They come to us when this guy shows up knocking on the door, and they say, hey, $10,000 a month, $5,000 a month, whatever it is, for the long-term care. And then the question is, well, what can you do for me now? And I said, well, did you come to a life plan workshop 5 years ago? No. So now this guy shows up. Now we got problems. Yeah. And so we do quite a bit, probably a third of what we do. And I know there are people watching who say, well, that's not for me. I didn't pre-plan. There's nothing I can do. All that kind of stuff. It couldn't be further from the truth, because there's always something you can do. Now, it's not as effective, and it's not as inexpensive as plan. The most inexpensive, effective thing you can do is plan ahead. Sure. But what if you don't? Well, don't give up the ship. I mean, it's not the time now to say, oh, there's nothing we can do, because there's always something you can do. So your 3 cases that you have recently won, were those people who planned ahead and you came in to help in those ending year? These are people who came to you with the crisis? That's correct. These were all 3 crisis cases. Now, we've done over 2,200 these cases, got them all approved, except the ones we didn't, right? But about less than 0.5% get denied. The caseworker misreads the law or misunderstands or something like this. And so now they get denied. We'll take them up on appeal. Our deal is, look, if you trust us to do the application, we're not going to give you excuses. We're going to give you results. And so that means the appeals are all included. So this one we're happiest about, 2.5 years now, we've been fighting. My goodness. We fought it, 4 times denied. Okay, with the caseworker, with the supervisor, administrative law judge. For silliness? Denied for silliness? Well, you think it's silliness? Well, here's the bottom line. You know how you have a tax bill and it has the SEV? They were saying that 2 times the SEV is the only price you could put on real estate. I mean, who the heck would sell their land or a house or anything at 2 times? But that was their point. And there was some law that kind of supported, you could kind of see where they were coming from. So denied 4 times, finally got it to the circuit court. We just got the opinion last week that says, no, you guys were right the whole time. Pay back the nursing home, which is a huge win because the spouse at home now doesn't have to worry about, I've got hundreds of thousands of nursing home bills how's that going to get paid, right? I've got to sell my house. And instead, the Medicaid did cover that, as it should have. You are here to take up for people in advance if they're in the position to do that, but also if they find themselves in crisis. And if you would like to enlist David's help, you may call or check out his website. We put all his contact information on ours. Go to WZZM13.com. You'll find it there. It's good to see you. We even gave ourselves an award. For serving the client. Yeah, well, we had to give it to ourselves because no one else was going to do it. But. All right. Thanks for watching. Make it a great afternoon.